If your VSL funnel is capped because you can't spend more on ads right now, this is how you can get growth without increasing your budget. Now, if you are actually running a real VSL funnel and you do need more calls right now, but increasing ad spend just doesn't feel right, this is for you. I'm going to suggest you spend a few minutes with me and I will show you the exact ad campaign that we're using to recapture the traffic that most VSL funnels permanently lose or don't even think about. And then we can turn it into a source of additional income, an additional source of warm leads without touching your budget or even rebuilding your funnel at all. And if you want the cheat sheet for setting this up, you can comment PC below. I can send this over to your messenger. Hiya, I'm Tina Sandford. I'm the founder of Tina Sandford Video Ads. And we actually work with VSL funnel owners who are stuck with the 2 times return on ad spend campaigns. And we can turn it out to a scalable 8 to 10 times return on ad spend system using strategies that work after the funnel is already live and bringing in leads. In every video right now, I can break down like just one thing that you can actually implement immediately if you're running a VSL. Now, here is the problem that most VSL owners don't actually see. Only about 20% of the people clicking your VSL ads ever even opt in. And that means that 80% of your paid traffic disappears, even though they showed an interest in what it is you do and what you have there. You know, as people clicked, it cost you money. And these are not low quality clicks if you got your ads right. They're actually kind of like unfinished decisions. And most business owners respond by trying to improve their VSL opt-in page, they're tweaking headlines, they're testing different layouts, rewriting copy, so paying for another copywriter. But unless you are a top tier copywriter or one who understands your ideal clients, you will usually hit that same ceiling, which is around about a 20% opt-in rate. At that stage, it's not the effort that you're missing, it's actually something called leverage. Because the real opportunity isn't forcing that page to convert harder. It's actually about recapturing the other 80% who already raised their hand once. They already showed an interest, okay? But this is where we use what we call the power content campaign. Instead of letting that 80% of traffic disappear, we give them a second way to engage and remind them of you without any pressure and without adding in another funnel. It's really simple. I'm going to actually share with you how this works. Anyone who actually visits your VSL opt-in page but doesn't actually opt in will automatically be added to what we call a retargeting audience, making sure that your pixel is installed and you're already set, okay? Step 2, you actually just record a quick 3 to 5 minute power content video. Now each one actually focuses on one specific problem that your VSL already addresses. And we don't add in a call to action, there's no pitch in this, it's just clarity. It's pure goodwill and belief shifting, it's amazing, okay? Step 3, you just run those videos as a simple £5 a day engagement ad. And you're retargeting just those people who actually opted in to your ad to visit your VSL page. Now, the best thing is though, something important happens. Instead of that 80% being lost traffic, these people then turn into invisible leads. They watch at least 25% of your video because it's created for them, and then they're added into what we call a warm audience that you can retarget at very low cost with very specific videos later. Now this works because you've got to remember these people were already interested. They didn't click for no reason. It's just they didn't want to commit inside a traditional funnel. They noticed what it was and went, oh, I'm not sure about this right now. So many people have been burned before. So instead of you forcing the opt-in, you're going to rebuild the trust before asking again if they want it. And that's how you actually turn your wasted clicks into a growing warm audience that actually comes back when they are ready. Now, if you want the step-by-step instructions to actually set this up and start recapturing that lost VSL traffic you've already paid for, comment PC below. I can send you the whole ad campaign cheat sheet. It only takes about 20 minutes to set up. And it will show you how to use your existing VSL and our ChatGPT process to create these little power content ads in under 60 minutes. Plus, I'll give you this full campaign set up as a thank you for watching today.